Hey guys, guess what we're doing? You guessed it. This is Harley. He's the one that was eyeballing me, and guess what? We're riding Harley right now.
Back a little bit in your saddle.
Okay. That's Justin, our guide.
Come on, Harley.
Come on. Wait. Harley, you're going the wrong way, bud. You're supposed to go that way.
Pull on his rein straight back. Now pull him and turn him around.
I was turning him to the right. He's not going.
Harley.
He wants to go a different route. He says this way today.
So what you're going to do, pull his rein straight back. And you're going to pull him with your left hand, turn him left. Just like that.
He's turning. He's turning. Good boy, Harley. You got it. I told you were a champion. That's why they named you Harley.
Buddy.
Yeah. They want to go their own way today. You all right? What's that one's name?
This is Buddy.
Hi, Buddy.
He's our old boy.
Oh, he's beautiful. I like his coat. I don't think he was out yesterday when I was here.
Come on. Alright, let's turn. Let me get him. Come on.
We're going this way. Don't
Pull
run into
back.
him.
Come on.
Wait, Harley. Wait, Harley.
We'll do the short trail first. We'll do this in reverse.
All right. You win, Harley. You know, sometimes you have to go with the instinct of the animal. They might know something we don't.
Yep.
So how long you been doing these trails, Justin?
These trails?
Yeah.
This is my third weekend out here.
Oh, are you serious?
Yeah. I've been working with horses my whole life. So.
Oh, wow. Did you grow up with them?
Yeah. I grew up on a 127,000 acre cattle ranch in West Texas.
Oh, wow. What brought you here?
My wife.
Okay. She works here also?
Yeah.
What part? Where's she at?
She works from home. She works for Gerber Collision.
Okay,
And
okay.
then, I'm a mechanic.
Okay, okay.
So.
And how'd you wind up on horses?
Let me get in front of you here.
Sure. How'd you wind up on horses?
Just growing up with them.
So I'm assuming your family owned them?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you guys still have horses?
Not anymore. My grandparents had passed away.
I'm sorry to hear that. Was this recent?
No, it's been about 15 years.
Oh, wow. Okay. Do you have siblings that you grew up with on the farm with your grandparents?
I got siblings. I was the only one that lived on the farm though.
Oh, okay. Is it a lot of hard work on the farm?
Oh, absolutely.
I believe it. I believe it. Come on, Harley. Pick up the pace. I know. I'm tired too, bud. It's been a long week. But we'll make it. So when you guys are back at the stables there, you have to clean up behind the animals. You have to bathe them and feed them and things like that too. Yeah.
Every morning before we saddle them up, we gotta brush them all down.
Yeah.
Get them all ready so their skin doesn't get irritated.
Right. Do you put products on them or no?
No.
Okay. Okay.
Only during bathing.
Okay. They're beautiful and they're very well kept. I've been to some trail rides before and the horses looked emaciated and just, they weren't very well kept. I felt bad riding them actually.
Yeah, no, they're very well fed. They're spoiled animals.
I believe that. I could tell. Come on, bud. You can make it. You can make it, Harley. Look at all of that, guys. All that land. Wish you guys were here with me enjoying this. I actually want to run them. I want to run these guys doing 60 miles an hour. I don't think they're up to it though. And I don't think there's really anywhere for them to ride or to run.
Give them a big kick, they'll speed up a little bit.
Yeah, he's trying. He's trying. Good job, Harley. Putting those shoes to work. So how much do they eat per day?
A lot.
I believe it. I believe it. I was just saying before you guys brought the horses out, or brought Harley out, that I'm sure it's a pretty penny to feed these guys every day.
The amount of horses we have is probably about at least $1,500 a month in just hay.
I can only imagine. Yeah. Yeah. Do they have a special diet other than hay?
In the mornings before we take them out, we treat them with pellet grain.
Okay.
Kind of puts them in better spirits and makes them want to work a little bit more.
What's in the pellet grain? Do you know?
Alfalfa, hay, corn, and I forget what else. I think there's sage,
Okay.
rosemary in it.
Do you guys ever give them just fresh vegetables?
These ones, no.
Okay.
They like candy.
Okay. Yeah, well, who doesn't?
Yeah, they like those gummy slices.
Okay. Yeah. Look at all that land, guys. If I could get a group of us to come together and purchase some land like this, we could have our own little off-grid nomad society, community, or a park for us to come and rest in between traveling and have events and just gather and like I say, build this community of nomads, travelers, vehicle dwellers, campers, you name it. This is what it's all about, man. This is what it's all about. Yeah, getting people to come together. Sometimes it's like pulling teeth or asking for a kidney or your firstborn or something. I don't know. I don't know, but I'm not giving up on it. One day soon, if I have to do it myself, I will. I'm going to get me some land, a lot of it, and build a place for us, all of us, to be able to just be free. Be free. Yes, indeedy. Do you guys have kids, Justin?
Yes.
Do they ride the horses often?
They don't.
No? I'm surprised. Oh no. What do you have, boys, girls?
2 girls.
2 girls, and they don't want to ride the horses?
Nope.
I am shocked and amazed. I don't know a girl yet who doesn't love horses.
I haven't got one yet either.
Yeah.
Until I met my stepdaughter.
Oh my goodness. She's been sheltered, obviously. Oh my goodness. Okay, you got to start her on the little My Pony cartoons, and what else do they have out there?
I tried talking her into staying at home this weekend instead of going to her dad's house.
Uh-huh.
And she's like, no, I'm going to my dad's house.
Oh no.
All right. I'll take your horseback riding. No, I don't want to go.
How old is she?
She's 10.
Okay, she's getting close to those teens. Yeah. Yeah.
She just started playing saxophone this week.
Did she really?
Yeah.
That's the one instrument besides the piano that I would like to learn how to play, is the sax. I don't care, alto or soprano, I'll take them both.
Right? Whatever one.
Right. Sorry, Harley. Come on. You can do it, boy. You can do it.
All right, we're coming up to a big hill. Make sure you lean back.
Okay. Loving it, guys. Loving it. Uh-oh. Got a hairball. All right, watch them trees, Harley. I'm trudging along with you, Harley. I feel your pain. You made it, though, buddy. You made it. Look at that. There's all of that undeveloped land beyond the trees there. Thank you so much. All of this.
How long has it been since the last time you were on a horse?
Oh my gosh, probably 20 years.
That was my wife last week until I brought her out here.
Yeah? How does she feel afterwards? She wants to ride more? Yeah?
Yeah, she's like, Dad, my hips hurt.
Oh. Yeah.
And the biggest thing with riding horses, as long as you can move your hips with their hips,
Right.
it'll eliminate a lot of the soreness.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Well, I was sore before I got on them, so I don't think it's going to make a difference. As a matter of fact, this might help to exercise some of these joints.
It will.
Yeah. Come on, Harley. Keep up. Keep up. So what breed is that one you're on? Is that a Palomino?
what he is.
Really?
Nope.
Wow.
The previous owners never told us anything.
Huh.
They weren't really even sure what his breed is.
Oh, wow. Maybe they weren't the first owners. So do you guys get these horses donated or they purchase them? How does that work?
These are rented.
Okay, rented horses.
Yeah, we do a lease agreement with a barn out of Michigan.
Okay. So is it cheaper to rent them than own them? Is that the idea?
It's pretty much the same.
Yeah, I would think. Because you still have to care for them.
Yeah.
Still have to feed them.
Yeah, the feed, everything comes out on our dime. So from what I understand is we do a lease to own.
Okay.
So instead of paying the full price of the horse up front, we just kind of make a monthly payment with it.
Wow. Like a car, huh?
Yep.
Never heard of that. Wow.
Well, when we do the trail rides, we got, hundreds of people coming out.
Right.
It's expensive.
Right. I can imagine. I can imagine. Have you done the kayaking here?
What's that?
Have you done the kayaking here?
No.
No?
I'm a land creature.
Yeah. I hear that. I do want to get on.
Look at my horses.
Yeah. I do want to try out the paddle boats though. I was over there at the concession stand yesterday and I saw the boats docked. Yeah. Okay. Oh, don't run him over. Slow it down. So do the horses basically know the route by themselves? Yeah.
They know it pretty well.
Uh-oh, that feels like rain.
Yeah, I like to speak from the tree truck from all the rain this morning.
Hopefully, because we weren't even supposed to get any rain.
Yeah, that's why I didn't ride my motorcycle, because I looked at the clouds this morning. I'm like,
Yeah, it started at about 12 o'clock this morning.
Oh, did it?
Yeah, I got up to use the bathroom and I walked over to the shower houses. And by the time I made it back to my tent, it started pouring down like 30 minutes later.
Oh, so you're camping out here?
Yeah, and it rained all night until about maybe 6:30 this morning.
Oh, wow.
And it wasn't supposed to rain at all. I kept looking at the forecast all week. And then once I set up my camp yesterday, before I laid down to rest at about maybe 5:30, I looked at the weather again and they said it was a 30% chance of rain. 30%. And it rained all night. I'm like, this is ridiculous. So you never know with this weather. Come on, bud. I hope you guys are getting all of this. I'm trying to hold Harley and hold the camera at the same time. I got skills, y'all. I got skills. So what other kind of wildlife is around here? Yeah, I heard them howling this morning. Yeah, sound like a whole pack of them. Yeah, they are. I keep telling people that where I live, right across the street from my house, is a little foresty area. So there's like a family of coyotes that live over there from time to time. Yeah, they're harmless. You know, people freak out about them. I'm like, just keep your animals inside. Don't leave them outside overnight.
Yep. Yeah, I mean, we got fox out here.
Yeah.
We got, I mean, that's really your bigger animals. I know down, like, right up on the border of Illinois and Wisconsin, they've had a couple of black bears lately.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah.
And I think they're driving them out of their natural habitat.
Yeah. I hear they've got some really beautiful parks there.
Oh, yeah.
A lot of forest land.
Yep.
That's a shame. Yeah, I want to get up to Wisconsin and do some camping there too. I've been to the Dells. I just haven't camped there. I'm in Glen Ellen. Yes. Did you really?
Yep.
It's quiet. It's very peaceful.
I live out here in Woodstock, so I'm out in the middle of the country.
Yeah. Wow. How long have you been out here?
6 years.
6 years. How do you like it?
6 years ago, I came up here to visit, ended up meeting my wife.
Yeah.
Ended up staying.
Okay. How'd you meet?
My friend's 50th birthday party.
Oh. Yeah, sometimes that's how it happens. It's through other friends, other connections. Okay, Harley, it's not time to stop. Job isn't over.
Yeah. Yeah. All right. Yeah. I kind of. All right.
So is this your last ride for today? No, you got more?
Yep.
Uh-oh.
Okay.
Okay. I thought I heard her tell you you could go home after this one.
No.
So you guys get started.
I'm here until probably about 7 o'clock tonight.
Oh, wow. Yeah, that's a full day.
A lot of work needs to get done after everybody leaves.
Right. What time do you stop with the rides?
4:30 is the last one out.
Okay.
And we try to do our last ride is just a 40-minute.
Mm-hmm.
That way they're back by about 5:10.
Okay.
And the rest of us, we're all, taking care of the horses, getting them all put away, and get the hay out.
Okay.
Watering bins all put back up.
Yes, indeedy. So there's home base there. Do people bring their own horses here and ride them? Are they allowed to do that? Okay. Okay, I was looking at that. I didn't know if they worked here or...
Nope.
Okay.
Here, anybody's allowed to bring a horse here.
Yay. I don't have a horse, but if I did, I know where to bring them. Oh, that's a beauty. Say hi.
Come on.
Oh,
He will not go down that trail.
is he afraid of something? Did he fall or something? Wow. Okay. Say hi. Beautiful.
He's not having it right now. He won't go down the blue trail.
Turn Harley around here.
He just needs some
Easy.
extra
You're
attention.
fine. Easy. Hey, buddy, kick. Help me out. Thank you. All right, you're fine.
He's like, what are you trying to do to me?
Kick hard. Boy, come on.
He's being super stubborn.
Harley, kick.
Let's go, Harley. Let's go. Let's go, Harley. Let's go. We're not scared. We can do it. We can do it.
Harley, go that way. And you kick the kick. There you go. All right, keep following Justin.
All right. No, 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 no. That way. All right. Good boy. Where you going? Where you going? Where you going? We got to go this way. Let's go. All right. These two do not want to go down the trail for some reason. What's down there, Harley? Tell me. You can whisper it to me. I won't tell anybody. Come on, come on. Boy, they are leery. Is it a bear? Is it a tiger? What is it, Harley? Yeah. Come on, Harley. Let's go. Come on. Are there any snakes out here?
Snakes? Yeah, a couple venomous. That's all like gardener snakes.
Okay. I'm trying to think what could have them so spooked.
They're not spooked, they're just being stubborn right now.
Yeah.
These are a couple of the older horses. So
Okay.
they get lazy,
I understand. Maybe you're going to have to do like they do in the cartoons and put a carrot on a stick and dangle it in front of them. He's laughing. He's laughing. Oh my goodness. Did you get it out? You need some tissue? Okay. All right. Wow. All right, Harley, you all right?
So Buddy here, he actually used to be a mounted shooting guard.
Really?
So what they would do is they would do like cowboy competitions with revolvers and shotguns,
Uh-huh.
and they would shoot it right over his head.
Wow.
And it's very hard to train a horse to do that because they're deer.
Right.
That's also why he's so stubborn.
Yeah, I can imagine. Where was this, in Montana?
It was out here somewhere, actually.
Really?
Yep.
Huh. I'm surprised too that he wasn't spooked by the gunshots. Look at the vegetation. If you're gonna have some weeds, they better look like that. Colorful. Variety. Not dead and dry and hopeless. Something beautiful.
E-brake, pull up on your reins. I swear, every time I ride, this is where me and him stop. Every single time we ride.
He's familiar with it.
Yep.
Yeah. Which one is your favorite out of all of them?
He's my favorite.
Yeah. Let's go.
There's actually a horse there named Rose,
Okay.
and she's
Come on. What's your name? Harley, let's go. Let's go. This way, this way, this way. Let's go. Uh-oh.
come on.
All right, you got a nibble. Let's go. This way.
Come on, Harley.
This way. This way.
Harley. Come on.
Boy, I wish you guys were out here with me. The weather is great. Feels good out here. It's nice and comfortable now. All the lushness of the forest. It's great. It's absolutely beautiful. And then Harley and what's his name in front of me? I think he's a Palomino. Could be wrong. But yeah. These two guys are characters today. Harley got him a mouthful. Yeah, you really need to talk while he's walking. Okay. All right, Harley, pick it up a bit. So is there someone that takes care of all of these paths that comes?
Yeah, the conservation district.
Oh, really?
Yep.
So they're separate from the state park?
No, they're the same.
Okay. So do they have plans to develop more of this land? Because it's a lot of wide open spaces doing absolutely nothing. Are you serious? I mean, as far as when I say wow. My ride in here, I was thinking to myself, I was like, all of this land that they have, I'm just surprised that some of the campsites are so close to each other. You would think they'd be a little more spread out. Huh. Alrighty. I met the owner yesterday. It was a guy.
Oh, Chris.
Yeah, I met.
He's a really nice guy.
Yeah, he gave me 17. He gave me my camping spot.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I had made a reservation. Well, before I made my reservation, I called and I talked to someone about the park and the camping spots. And I described to the gentleman what I wanted. I wanted something secluded. I wanted something near the water because I knew I wanted to do some fishing. I didn't want to really be around people. And
I don't like being around people.
yeah, I mean, you come here for the seclusion, the quietness, to get away. So something told me just to come and check out the site.
Yeah.
I did this last week before I was scheduled to be here. And so when I came and I looked at the spot, it was so congested with people. I'm like, what the crap is this? And then I looked at the site, it was so small, and my neighbors were right on top of me, and I said, this is not what I asked for. So I went to the office and talked to the lady and the gentleman who were there then.
Okay.
And they suggested some other sites. I drove around and took a look at them. Wasn't too happy with either one of those either. But I chose one out of the three that were available. So they moved me there. But they also said that there was a site that they have that's non-reservable. And you just have to be here early enough to get it.
Yeah.
So they were like, when you come Friday, come early and we'll see if that location is open. Well, I got here early, came straight from work, and unfortunately that spot had already been taken. So as we were talking about it, the owner came into the office and he didn't say anything. He went straight to the back office and just kind of stood around back there, and I guess he was listening to the conversation. And then eventually he came out of the office and he grabbed a highlighter. They had given me a little map of the park. So he took the map of the park and he highlighted 17. And he was like, if you want 17, take 17. So I said, okay. I didn't know who he was. And so when he left, they were like, oh, that's great. He just offered you 17. He's like, that's in the host site. He's like, it's a really nice area. I'm like, really? Wow. Yeah, he just came in real silent, didn't say a word. Only words he spoke were, if you want 17, take 17. So, yeah, that was real cool. Wow. Look at all of that, guys. Harley's got some grass in his mouth that I think he wants to eat.
He always wants to eat.
He's like, when is this over so I can chow down on this? Oh my goodness. He's taking it home though. He is not letting go. Sorry, Harley, no breakfast for you. He's doing it. All right, Harley, good for you. Grabbed you a snack. Come on, boy. Let's keep up. So all of these other trails that we see, are those for horses also, or can you walk those?
Yeah, you can walk all these.
Okay. Alright guys, we are nearing an hour of recording. It's like 46 minutes. So we're not going to take you for the whole 2 hours, but you get the gist. You get to see all the beauty and glory of this here park. You get to see my man here, Harley, and his bud up front, and Justin, our guide. Yeah, so I'll be checking back in with you later, guys. Gonna hit that fishing hole in the morning for certain. But until then, I will talk to you guys later on. Don't forget to thumbs up the video, guys. Don't forget to share it. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. I will talk to you guys in the next video. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.